Hello, my name is Anthony. This is my sister Afton, and today we're going to be making butterscotch treats. We're going to make butterscotch treats today, so let's get started. So,
we need aprons.
Oh yeah. There we go. Got aprons. Butter. More butter just in case. Stuff to measure with. Chocolate chips. Milk chocolate chips just to eat. Butterscotch morsels. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. Rice Krispie cereal.
Do you want to eat peanut butter?
Yep, peanut butter, and powdered sugar, and of course the recipe. So, let's see. Over here. Melt butterscotch chips with peanut butter. So 1 cup of this stuff.
So, Anthony, what do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, we don't hide.
Being sassy.
There we go. Just cover that stuff.
That's a lot.
And then half a cup of peanut butter. I'll get another glop of this. Glop. Peanut butter.
I think I love my new hat. I think I like my new hair. Just not your hair.
Okay. Okay, so done. I'm cutting up the peanut butter. When I'm done, this will be peanut butter soup. Goodbye butterscotch chips, because they're not even chocolate. You know? Yeah.
My name should be.
Okay, almost there. Turn this on. Hair. Here this comes. Okay, you need to scrape this with a new scraper. Wow. Gloop. Hold it high. Try not to let it move at all. Gloopy glop or gloppy glip? Look, it's peanut butter soup. This is 4 cups of Rice Krispies things. So
we're just gonna dump everything.
Knife mixer.
I like
Mixing. Okay, butter.
Butter. Peanut butter.
So then you just open this up
Butter.
like this.
Butter. Peanut butter.
Just go with this one, I assume. Okay. Time for the fudge.
I think we forgot to wash our hands.
Yeah. Good. One powdered sugar thingy.
I have no idea where I'm going to put this in the fridge.
It's like a sandwich. Got Rice Krispie stuff on the bottom, fudge in the middle, and then another layer of Rice Krispie stuff on the top. It smells like fudge.
I would probably use a different utensil rather than a knife.
Okay, what is it?
That's our tradition.
That is butter.
No. can steak butter?
It's 2 tablespoons. There's 1 tablespoon. Might help to use a whisk.
Almost there. There's still some chunks. Chunky, almost there. That smells so good. There we go. Just spread it. Yeah, okay, here, we need more. It's good. Flatten it down. Now time to put the rest in on top of here.
Howard?
Pull some away. Now, put this in the fridge. Now, all I have to do is wait. It's been a while, so let's check on this and see if it's done. Or if it's not done, you know what? Oh, that looks done.
Yeah.
That's done. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Like a sandwich. That's good. Yeah, well, that was good. And bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. You done?
Bye-bye.